Alright, today we're looking at a 2011 Ford Explorer Limited. It's got four-wheel drive, 62,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just two previous owners. It's Kona blue metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have your front park assist. It's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock unlock button here on the door handle. Keypad as well. Okay. Got your blind spot monitoring system. You can see that right here in the side mirrors. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Alright, it does have rear park assist, rear backup camera. Alright, it is four-wheel drive. Power lift gate. Alright, make our way down the passenger side. Got the lock unlock button here, turn signals in the side mirrors. Exterior of this Explorer is in good shape. Alright, it's a 2011, 62,000 miles, clean Carfax. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels, just a small little split right here in the door panel. Wood grain trim. Got your memory seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, let's have your power liftgate button here, adjustable pedals. Alright, it's got black leather seats. It's a third row, too. It's got 3 rows of seating. Power driver's seat. Alright, the seat's just got a few little places on it like this, a couple of scratches here. It's not ripped or anything, just kind of scuffed. Okay, got four-wheel drive. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Alright, with remote start. Passenger seat looks pretty good. Same thing going on in the seat of this passenger seat. Right here, just a little bit of scratching, scuffing on of the leather. Alright. Does have your push button start, dual climate controls. Does have your Microsoft sync system. Okay. It's got heated and air conditioned seats, backup camera. We'll show you all that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Alright, then got your cruise control over here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 62,205 miles. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you radio display here. Alright. Does have the insert navigation SD card for navigation. It's got your heated seats, air conditioned seats. It's your backup camera here. Okay, and that beeping you hear is the park assist, letting you know the faster it beeps, the closer you're getting. Okay, got the guidelines on there too. Got push button start. Your dual climate controls. Alright, and then once again got your four-wheel drive knob right there. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good back here. Second row carpet's in good shape. It's got your rear heat, rear air right there. Okay, back seat leather's in good shape. Just a little bit more of this cracking, not really cracking, but scuffing of the leather back here. Okay, same on the passenger side, just a little bit over there. Got the center armrest that comes down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, I'll give you a shot of the third row here. Alright, third row leather looks good. Does have the power lift gate. Alright, nice and smooth coming up. Got plenty of room back here. Got a power outlet here. It's got your power third row seating. Okay, you can control all this with just a push of a button. Got your spare tire under there as well. Let me go ahead and give you a shot from the passenger side here with that black leather. I want you to be able to see everything I'm describing. Okay, here is the second row seats. Okay, and I'll run through this real quick for you. Alright. And then your third row leather's in good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see, 18-inch alloys. Alright, tires are in good shape, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, so 2011, limited edition, 62,000 miles. Got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Things in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.